Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove GMC Yukon spare tire, only ways. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock wheels immediately. Gather tools, socket, breaker bar, spare tire crank, and gloves. Lower the tailgate and clear the area beneath the bumper. Locate the spare tire access point, remove the cover, and insert the crank to engage the winch. Work calmly and keep hands clear of pinch points. Begin by finding the spare winch access point under the rear bumper or inside the cargo area. Remove the plastic access cover carefully to expose the winch bolt and cable. Use the provided crank or a socket and breaker bar that fits securely. Turn the crank counterclockwise to lower the spare tire slowly, keeping a firm grip on the cable to control descent and prevent sudden drops. Lower the spare tire using steady, controlled turns of the crank until the tire rests on the ground. Locate and disengage the retaining clip or bolt that secures the wheel to the cable or bracket. Pull the cable free or slide the wheel off the mount, supporting the tire as you remove it. Inspect the cable and tire for damage and stow the winch tool back in its storage area once finished.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.